Sir, next process is combing, sir.
Next
Next process is combing.
understand.
The next process is combing.
Yeah,
Combing, sir. Combing.
combing like our hair, that is combing. Understand? So means in the sense of
Sir, but
Yes.
yeah,
Sir.
like
sir,
our
but
combing,
in
yeah.
the book there are, sir, but there in the book there is another process, sir.
I will say you listen, Mari. Suppose see,
Yes, sir. Okay,
our
sir.
hair will be like a, see, if you see our hair, if I am not after wake up from the bed, it will be like rings and all, so many shapes. Is it sir?
Curly.
Yeah, curly and all. Now, do you know that the girls they are using like a straightener, like electricity? They
Yes, sir.
it will
In
be,
Philips, sir.
yeah, like a plug-like structure. It will be like a they will structure. Yes, that
Yes,
is
sir.
called as understanding. This is so. What is this? Combing.
Combing.
Sense of the long woolen fibers are spun in the sense of they are twisted into a thick yarn. Understand? Like in the sense of they will be like this, long fibers. Do you understand, Mari? Hari?
Yes, sir.
So, if you'll observe here, the combining, understand, this combing is a method
Yes, sir.
to prepare woolen fibers for spinning the yarn. Understanding? Spinning the yarn means if you want to make the yarn, so we should make combing first because these combs have metal teeth. Understand? So this comb, whatever it is having, they are having metal teeth. So this process of combing, they are straightens the entangled woolen fibers and also removes the small fluffy fibers called as burrs. Like small anything is present like burrs, which may be caught in them. Like if you're combing unnecessary hair, small hair and damaged hair, everything will come out. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Say that same way while doing this combing, like they are having a metal teeth. So if you are means allowing through them, then they will be pressed and they will be make it as a straightening. That is called as combing. Like this curved shaped everything, like curled that all will be straightening in this one. So that is only called as combing process. So in this combing process, a fluffy fibers, a small fluffy fibers, everything is being removed. Understand? They will be catched by this remove. Understand the teeth, metal teeth, so that only long fibers, which will be which will be spread like a long, like our bed sheet, you know, our bed. Like it
Yes,
will come
sir.
like a normal thick sheets. It will become. It will be turns like a thick sheets. Understand, Ra? So that is only called
Yes,
as combing. Okay. So next,
Yes.
last process, if you'll observe, spinning. So what is the spinning?
Spinning means they will stitch the all the fibers together
We
and
have like a sheet of this fleecy. Now from that, understanding, like olden days, you can see we people are making ropes by using waste saris and all. We are we are removing that saris into small pieces and we are passing it. If you are rotating like this, right, like this, it will turn into a thread. Is it yes or no?
yes, sir.
The same way here. What is the meaning of spinning? Means in the sense of once if you'll do the straightening this one, understand all the fleecy. So these long woolen fibers are twisted into a thick yarns that is only called as wool. What we should call? Wool. If you see,
Wool.
if you take a thread, if you remove, again so many kinds of yarns will come. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is what.
Then if we remove that yarn, the fibers will come, sir.
Yes, that is what. Understand? So that is only called as wool. So which is used for knitting sweaters and weaving the shawls, etc. Understand? And the shortened woolen fibers are there. That will be spun into a fine yarn and then woven on a loom. Hand looms we can call. Looms which will make the cloth. Hand looms, you know? Hand looms.
Yes, sir.
Saris and all they will make like that loom to make a woolen cloth like shovels, etc. So long fibers and all they will use to make the sweaters and all, and the shortened woolen fibers they will spun into a fine yarn and then they will be woven on the looms to make a shovels. Understanding?
Yeah,
Like
but-
cloths,
Okay.
etc. Like napkins and all, woolen napkins and all. That is so. This is all about the process of totally how many six processes. What are that?
6 process.
What are that?
Shearing, scouring, sorting, dyeing, combing, and spinning.
Spinning. That is now
Spinning.
combing. Combing, right? Combing. Combing. Combing is a method to prepare. 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 Shall I need to write or can I need to say? Can I write?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Combing is a method. Is a method to prepare woolen fibers. To prepare woolen fibers. Understanding? To prepare woolen fibers for spinning the yarn. For spinning the yarn. Like a rolls they will make. You may see that grass, rice grass and all, they are making into rolls. Do you know that? Tractors and all,
Yes, sir.
learn. They used to make a rolls, right? All the grass will go and
Yes,
they will
sir.
rotate like a rolls. Yes, like
Yes,
that.
sir. Yes, sir.
As this combing. Understand? So that will
Yes,
be
sir.
transported to the market, like in the sense of production shops, they will do the spinning. They will make the wool. That is. So that is spinning the yarn. Full stop. This is done by. This is done by. This is done by. Done by using combs. Using combs. Having which teeth? Having metal teeth.
Metal teeth.
Having metal teeth. Metal teeth. The process of combing. Next. The process of combing. The process of combing straightens. STRAIGH. Understanding? TENS. Straightens the entangled woolen. The entangled. What is the meaning of entangled? Mari, Hari? Entangled means the sense of like a curved shapes. Understanding? Curved shapes.
Yes, sir.
Entangled woolen. Entangled woolen fibers. Fibers. And also removes a small fluffy fibers. Fluffy
Called burrs.
Atra?
Called burrs.
We used to call these fluffy fibers only. We used to call it as burrs. BURRS, burrs. Like if you go to shopping mall and all, they will make a very finest pillows and all, like a love shape and all. Car we can keep backside. That is all.
Yes, sir.
Finest burrs only. Understanding? Because they are very small, shortest woolen fibers. So they will use in this. Do you understand? To get
Yes, sir.
that is. Our car we can keep a shovels, backside seat and all. That is all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Soft, very nice it is. That is all made with this. Okay, va? This short fiber.
Yes, sir.
So long one they will use for knitting. Short one they will use for weaving. That is what you should remember. Okay. That is. This is called as combing. Write it.
Finished, sir.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is finished. Next. Last process. What is the last process?
Spinning. 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 Spinning.
Okay. Shall we start now? Last process. So that is
Yes, sir.
spinning. So what is the meaning of spinning? Final stage. So making into yarns and later knitting and weaving. So spinning.
Weaving.
spinning. The long woolen fibers are 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 spun, SPN, spun, or twisted. We can call it as twisted. Twisting, like our mother is washing the bedsheet, we people will go and will twist like this. Have you noticed it? Like
Yes, sir.
twisted into thick yarn, So why we are making thick yarn, Mari and Hari? Because to increase the strength of that.
Yes.
Because you see, single hair we may break it, but if we make it 10 or 15 yarns together, we cannot break it. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is the reason we should make a thick yarn by twisting so many yarns. Understanding? To increase the
Yes, sir.
to increase the strength. It twisted
Strength.
yarn called what we should call this one? Wool.
Spin.
Understanding? Wool,
Yes, sir.
which is used for wool, which is used for knitting sweaters, etc. Understanding? Knitting sweaters, etc. Next, what is happening? Full stop. The short woolen fibers, what they will do? The short woolen fibers are spun into, they will go for what?
Spun.
Spun into which process? Knitting or weaving? Spun into weaving.
Weaving.
Fine yarn.
Fine yarn.
And then weaving means what? What is the V3 of weaving? Woven.
Weaving.
Woven. Understanding? Spun into
Yes.
yarn and then woven on a means weaving only. Woven on a loom. Loom means what? Hand loom or that is understanding? That is mission looms. We have
Yes.
hand looms and mission looms now. Both loom to make a woolen cloth. To make a woolen cloth like shovel. Like shovels.
Shovel.
So that is what the triple S CDS. Yes or no? So this is how
Yes, sir.
completed. So we can say that from this all this discussion, 6 processes, we can conclude that sheep's hair is sheared off from the body, scored, shortened, dyed, combed, and spun to obtain the wool for knitting the sweaters, and as well as what? For weaving the woolen cloth like shovels.
Woolen.
That is why the quality of woolen cloth, understanding the quality of woolen cloth, we can decide by whom. Only one thing, starting we can decide. That is what? A breed of
Shear.
from which a wool is obtained. That is what we can call it as selective breeding. What we should call it?
Selective breeding.
So from this itself we can decide, Mari, either it is a quality means a quality of wool. It is a quality or low quality or high quality or moderate medium quality. Everything we can decide by seeing this selective breeding in parents itself. Do you understand it? By seeing
Yes, sir.
sheep, by seeing the sheep itself, I can decide, oh, this is a best quality wool or a low quality wool, like that. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. So this is all about process of how to obtain the wool, yes or no, from the sheep. So now, if we are studying the last concept in this, then this will be over. Then we'll go for silk from tomorrow. So what is it, Mari, now you can see, or else you may see a hurry. While you are doing something, definitely we have some drawbacks. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is, suppose I am growing the chickens, or I am growing the fish, or I am growing the sheep. Definitely some diseases will affect them. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But like that,
Sir.
yes, rearing and breeding of sheep also, some diseases will come. So that is only, let us see what is the hazards of understanding these sheep rearing. Understand occupational hazards. That is only next concept we are learning. Occupational hazards means what is the disadvantages also we should know, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Please, right. Occupational hazard, OCCU, PATIONAL, occupational hazards, HAZARD, occupational hazard. So what is the occupational hazard is there? That is all we'll discuss now. So let's start. First listen, later we can
Yes,
see.
sir.
If we'll take here, woolen industry is an important source of livelihood for many people in our country. Understand? So the people who do the job of shorting, those who are working in shorting, do you understanding now? So many of
Yes, sir.
so many countries, understand, particularly even our country also, so many people are depending on these industries. Understanding woolen industries. So this wool
Yes,
industry.
sir.
So the people, those who are working, do the job of shorting. Shorting in the sense of what? Separating the fleece of sheep. Do you understand?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. While doing that, they will put masks, sir.
Yeah. So those who are using this shorting, those who are doing this shorting process, that fellows we used to call as shorters. What we should call? Shorters.
Shorters.
Yeah, special job. That name is called as shorters. So the shorters job is very risky, very risky for them. That is why the salary is also very high. So very risky because sometimes they get infected by the bacteria called as anthrax, which causes a deadly blood disease called as shorters disease. What we should call? Shorters.
Sir, can you say it again?
So while they are doing the shorting, that sheep wool may contain a bacteria. Understand that bacteria name called as anthrax. ANTHRAS. Anthrax. So this anthrax is a bacteria. So this will causes the a deadly blood disease. Means in the sense of our understanding, our blood system will be damaged. So that disease only, it will be causes even death also. So that is why it is called as deadly blood disease, like a blood cancer, blood disease. So which is named as, it is coming for whom? It is coming for whom? Shorters, correct or not? So that's
Shorter.
why the name of the disease is called as Shorters disease. What we should call? Shorters disease.
Shorters disease.
Be very careful, and they have to wear always, understanding, mask, and as well as like in a sense of now how corona period for them, everyday corona. Understanding, they should wear
Yes, sir.
time, understanding, mask, everything. And this is for humans. Sheep and all, so many risks. That is all here not. We will study later processing units. While we are studying the process of this, that we will study. It is not under class 7. So now if it comes to here, the risks faced by people working in any industry, we know that. Not only this industry, any industry, due to the nature of their work, understand. So due to the nature of the work, if they will get any faces, any problems they will face, that is only called as occupational hazards. Because of their duty, because of their work, if they will get any disease, that disease is called as, what we should call? Occupational hazard.
Occupational hazard.
Woolen industry. So I am working in woolen industry. So which disease I will get? If I am working as a shorter, then
Anthrax.
disease. Because of anthrax is a
Anthrax.
bacteria, Mari. That is not the disease
Yes,
name.
sir.
Disease name is called as short text disease, which is occupational hazard. Which is causing by whom? Causing by the anthrax.
Anthrax.
Anthrax. Actually,
Yes,
it is
sir.
a common bacteria which is present in most of the sheep. Do you understand, Mari? It is present
Yes,
in
sir.
most of the sheep. They have that bacteria. So while we are doing the shorting only, we have to do that all. So that we have to be very careful. Understand?
Okay, sir.
That is. So
Yes,
this
sir.
is not occupational hazards, right?
Yes, sir.
Occupational hazards. The risks faced by people, the risks, or else the risks faced by people, the risks faced by people, the risks faced by people, the risks faced by people working in any industry, working in any industry. Suppose those are working in chemical industry, so many lung infection, lung diseases will come. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If you are working in software, then you will get what? Kidney failures, sitting, continuously sitting. You will get the sugar, diabetes and all. That is also disease only. Working in
Yes, sir.
industry, any industry, due to the nature of their work, due to the nature
Nature.
of their work,
The
nature of their work is nature of the work are called occupational diseases.
called
Occupational hazard. Hazard means danger. What is the meaning of hazard? Danger. Understand?
danger.
Hazards. So now, if it comes to the wool industry, so wool industry, what is the disease? What is the disease?
Shortest disease.
Yeah, sorting wool industry, sorting. So sorting is done by whom? Single process I am writing. Sorting done by sorters. Understand? So that they will be affected by a bacteria called as, what is the bacteria? Anthrax.
Anthrax.
CHRAS, anthrax, which is known as bacteria. Bacteria causes what? Which disease?
Shortest disease.
Shorter's disease. So single line, you can, it is easy, correct?
Yes, sir.
That is easy. That is shorter's disease. Shorter's disease. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So this is all about